lamang dito sa Pilipinas, kung hindi maging sa ibang panig ng Asya. Isa sa patunay dito, ang naging pagbisita ng dalawa kamakailan sa Singapore, kasamang iba pang ASAP stars. Sa gitna ng pagpapasaya sa kanilang mga tagahanga sa Singapore, nagkaroon mismo ng pagkakataon ng The Buzz na makapanayam backstage sina Mario at Erich, ang kanilang mga bagong big revelations, a Big Buzz exclusive.
In a few days, everyone will see the movie that you've worked hard for. How excited are you for this project, Mr. Erich?
Sobrang excited po dahil finally, mapapanood na po nila yung pelikulang pinaghirapan namin.
I'm very excited for this movie because it's my first Filipino movie, and the whole team is Filipino, and also this movie is also filmed in Bangkok, my hometown. Erich is a professional actress. Yeah, it's really because when she works and she's really professional, and she's very she has so much power.
Energy?
Yeah, and
I hear you guys call each other bro or sis. How did that come about? Like the terms of it?
it's just like we always like, we like rap music and
Hip hop.
music.
Yeah, we're both into.
So Rachel was always like, hey, what's up, bro?
Yeah. Peace out. That's our thing.
Of this project, you have to go to a workshop or icebreaker so that you guys.
We didn't go through any workshops. We just hit it off right away.
When Ilocos started, were you amazed with the beauty of the scenery? And you, Erich, when you went to Thailand, were you amazed with the banyan leaf?
Yes.
Tell us something about the places you visited.
Ilocos.
Ilocos is very nice, and we went to a place they call the windmill. The windmill is very beautiful, and even the White Rock.
We went to Ayutthaya.
Ayutthaya.
Was it the temple?
Yes, the temple.
Yes, sobrang ganda po ng temple doon.
Bukod kay Erich, marami rin daw naging kaibigan na Pinoy si Mario habang ginagawa ang pelikula.
The whole crew, because the director, the actor and actress.
He's friends with everybody.
My best friend, Jos, Kakai, we all together, it's not like one best friend, we're all like a family.
Words you've learned. Tagalog words.
Tagalog, masakit.
Is that means
the line. It's what is masakit?
Painful, hurtful. And you always say thank you.
Salamat po. Thank you po.
Kakai taught you a word.
Sabi.
Sabi!
Sabi. Experience mo guys
Working with the Thais, sobrang nilang professional that yung pagka-value nila sa oras, kunwari, yun nga, strict sila sa 12 hours pala na, kunwari, 6 a.m., they have to finish talaga, hindi sila dala yung oras.
Invite all my fans, my Filipino fans, and all my fans, even Thai fans, to watch my movie, Sunday's Magic. It's going to be shown in 3 days on the 31st. I would like all my fans to watch this movie because it's my first Filipino movie with Erich Gonzalez and with Direk Rory.
Sa mga kapamilya namin po, sana supportahan niyo po ang Suddenly It's Magic. It's a feel-good love story po. Lalabas kayo ng sinihan na nakangiti. At hindi lang po siya para sa mga kabataan, kundi pambuong pamilya po siya.
Being an actor, this has always been my dream. But lately, it felt like such a nightmare.
Well, it's more fun in the Philippines. I would love to get lost in the country.
What can I do to make a Filipina fall in love with me? I have to make you wake up.